that David fell in love with. Brenna, you were beautiful inside and out. Thank you, Simos and Linda, for raising such a wonderful daughter. Through the years, I have seen how happy David and Brenna are together. Their personalities complement each other so well. Their relationship was strengthened through two very stressful situations, COVID pandemic and planning your wedding. Today, we celebrate your wedding day, and may you continue to celebrate your marriage from this day forward. I wish you both happiness that life has to offer, and my love is with both of you always. It is an honor and a privilege to officially welcome you into our family. Brenna, we love you.
David, you are and have been a kind, dedicated, and truly amazing future son-in-law to us, and we are so proud and thrilled to welcome you to our family. And we couldn't have dreamt of a more caring and genuinely great young man to marry our daughter. To Marvin, Kathy, it is obvious how close and loving your family is, and I'm so happy that Ren is part of your family as well. So David, great kid, check. Rider fan, check. Next James Bond, not official yet. Just keep being yourself, David. We love you for who you are. When you and Rena decided to get a place of your own, I told you that you now had to look after and protect her. I know that you're the one I could count on to do that. Rena, or Nuli as I call her, your happily ever after has begun and you look beautiful. I hope it's everything you dreamt it would be.